Takeout boxes come in many shapes and sizes. The most common varieties are tuck top, fast top, snack packs, and gable boxes, also known as barn boxes. These one-piece tuck top takeout boxes are made with 100% recycled 20-point paperboard. They have a white exterior and a natural craft interior. Their auto bottoms enable easy and quick assembly. Perfect for a variety of hot or cold items, with optional pop-up tabs to vent steam and keep foods from getting soggy. Fast top boxes have flat tops, which make them perfect for stacking. They're made from 100% recycled, grease-resistant 16-point paperboard. They have an auto bottom construction, and the fast top closure folds and tucks into the sides for easy assembly. These can be used for hot and cold food items. Snack pack boxes are made from 100% recycled, grease-resistant 20-point paperboard. They have a one-piece semi-automatic construction for easy assembly. 6-corner glued edges enable quick folding assembly. The boxes have a solid, flat bottom for secure placement of food items. The push-in vents help your fried foods to stay crispy. These boxes can be used for hot or cold food items. Gable boxes are taller than the other takeout boxes, making them ideal to pack a complete meal. The top interlocks with the sides, forming a gable which secures the box. The pop-out handle makes them easy to carry. All of these boxes are recyclable, biodegradable, and made in the United States. They're packed flat for efficient shipping and storage. Quick assembly means you can serve your customers faster using these food boxes. Choose the takeout boxes that are best for your business on our website, www.splashpackaging.com. Thank you.